Hey guys, come let us make some steamed cabbage. Here I'm just using a knife to dice up my cabbage. You can also use a potato peeler. But one thing I want you guys to know that steamed cabbage is one of the simplest sides that just eat differently. You can make it soft or you can also make it firm. And once you add those nice flavor, it will come out perfectly. Trust me. This video will explain itself. That is how easy it is. You can just watch this video and get all the things you need from this video. But don't play when it comes on to steamed cabbage because it's that good. With steamed cabbage, you can add whatever other vegetable you like. You can add potato, but anything you're adding, you have to dice them thinly. That's the thing about it. Mixed vegetable can also add to it. Here I am adding some carrot to the cabbage, and I'm gonna elaborate on the vegetables because guys, you can add pak chow to this cabbage. And when I say any vegetable, I'm thinking, and I think really and truly, any vegetable can be added to this dish. So go check your pantry and drop them corns or mixed vegetables or whatever you have to this dish because trust me, you won't regret it. It's good. So I'm just gonna let this video slide a little more until um, I see something else come up on the screen. But yes, it is what it is. I season my cabbage with white onions. You can also use purple onion if that's your preference. I also go in with some bell peppers. I am using red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and also yellow bell peppers. And you can also add a touch of scotch bonnet pepper for that little kick, that like a touch of spiciness. And we're going to set this aside and then we're going to turn on our stove and add it to it. Then we're going to go in with some olive oil. You can also use coconut oil because the coconut oil adds a nice flavor to your cabbage. To that, I'm going to add some chiffon butter. You can use the butter of your choice. Then we're going to cover that on low heat and allow it to steam. After about 2-3 minutes, we're going to go back in and I am going to stir the vegetables. And remember, guys, we have to keep an eye on the vegetables because it depends on the way you like it. If you like it firm, you have to go in every 2-3 minutes and check it. Here I am going to add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. You can add the all-purpose seasoning of your choice, or you can even go in with some salt and black peppers. Then we're gonna stir all the ingredients together because we have to distribute that Maggi all-purpose because we want to get the flavor all up in that cabbage. After we stir the cabbage, we're gonna cover back the pot to trap that steam. And guys, remember, it depends on the way you like your cabbage. So if you like it firm, we're gonna cook it for roughly maybe 5 to 7 minutes. But if you like it a little softer, we're gonna go in with it for a longer time. So it just depends on your liking. So here I am. This was relative. Oh Lord, this was relatively. No, this is relatively perfect to me. So I'm just going to steam it for about 2 more minutes and then I'm going to take it off. But as I said earlier, if you like it a little softer, you can keep it longer. And trust me, it pairs with just about anything. It can be served with fried chicken, stewed peas, beef, pork, anything. And plus it's a healthy dish and it prepares quickly. It's also budget friendly. And I'm going to show you guys what I paired this dish with, so you guys can continue watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and let me know if I need to add anything to these videos. And guys, thanks for watching, and I appreciate you guys. Have a blessed day.